Hi, I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. If you're looking for market opportunities and want to have everything laid out in front of you in one easy to understand page, I highly recommend using Bell Direct's bellinsight tool. Today we'll chat about how to use a bellinsight and how to look at each of the different sections. You'll find bellinsight under the Research and Tools tab. At the top left-hand side is a chart of how the benchmark ASX 200 is performing today. To the right are the various sectors in the market. Let's say you wanted to focus on the performance of a certain sector, say mining stocks, the S&P ASX 200 materials. Click on the market map button beside the sector and you'll see how each of the stocks in that sector are tracking. Further down is unusual volume, where there has been a larger than normal amount of buys or sells, and how the respective stocks are trading. This is really useful as it tells you that something important is happening with the company. To the right are stocks that have hit a new 52-week high and how they're trading for the day. Or if you want more, click here to see more metrics. You'll see the best performing stocks based on percentage moves, that's the top percentage rises, and the worst performers, the percentage falls. And you'll also see the most traded stocks, which is top by trades. And you can see the most traded stocks based on the amount of stocks being traded, which is top by volume. And the top traded stocks by value. Here you'll probably see some of the biggest companies in the ASX. You can also see the top new high, which are stocks that have hit new 52-week highs, which we saw earlier. And here we can see the 52-week low stocks, top new low. Let's click back to get to the bellinsight page. And let's look at Bell Potter's research. Bell Potter's most recent stock recommendations with either a buy, hold or sell rating on a stock will be here, and the date the research was made. You can click on the PDF to see the full research report. If you want to see more, you can click here, taking you to Bell Potter's research list in chronological order. If I want to look at buys, click on rating to sort, give it a moment, and then there's all the buy research. Now we have all the stocks with a buy rating, the date the research was prepared, and the highlight of the research report. This is a great way to see if any of the stocks that you like are backed by fundamental research. Alternatively, if you're looking for stock ideas, this page could give you a huge head start. Let's click back to get to the bellinsight page. You'll see directors' interest, a list of recent director ownership changes with company directors either buying into or selling down or out of a stock. Here are consensus recommendations, an amalgamation of different broker houses' views of a stock. This is in alphabetical order. If you click more, you'll have a full list of the stocks. I'm going to filter by rating to see the stocks that have got a strong buy. I can also see stocks with a buy, hold, sell or strong sell. Now let's sort by date to capture the most recent broker calls. Then I'll hover over an ASX code to see what all the brokers are recommending for the stock. Click back to get to the bellinsight page. And the final tool on bellinsight is Change in Substantial Holdings, a list of ASX-listed companies that have had a fund manager, an institution, or an investor buy or sell a major stake in a company. And that's it. Bellinsight is a great tool so you can quickly find market opportunities. If you want tips on how to better understand some of the things that we touched on today, like change in substantial holdings, director's interest, unusual volume, or the market map, follow the links in the description below. Or for any other demos, head to Bell Direct's website under BDTV or chat to us online. Happy trading.